Hello everyone, welcome back to CADD Nest YouTube channel. This is Ashya here. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to convert numbers into column letters. So this is the easiest method to convert numbers into column letters. So I'll start with the formula. I'll start from equal sign. So I need to use here substitute formula. Just I'm using here SUP, then use tab sign to open parenthesis. Now I'm using here one more formula, that is address. We need to give the address over here. So which address we are selecting here, we need to give that address. So I'll add full address here, then give tab sign. Now we have to give one, insert comma. Again we have to select a cell. Which cell we need to convert numbers into column letters. So I'm selecting here 1. Then again insert comma. Then digit we have to take here 4. Why we have to take 4 here? Because we need to take here relative cell. So we need to give as 4. Then close parenthesis, again insert the comma here, then open quotation here, then I'm inserting 1 here, then after that one again close quotation, then insert comma, open quotation, and again close quotation, then close parenthesis, and then hit enter. So see, this is the easiest and simple method to convert numbers into column letter. Just click in the bottom corner of the cell and just drag it down. Automatically it will change in the cells over here. You can see here this letters has been changed into numbers into letters. I hope you people enjoy this video. If yes, like and subscribe our channel. In upcoming video I'll teach you some more interesting topic in Excel. Bye bye.